In this video, we are going to tell you about what is reverse charge mechanism under GST. Normally, it's the supplier who pays the tax, but in reverse charge mechanism, the liability to pay tax remains with the recipient of the goods or services. Reverse charge is introduced normally for unorganized and partly organized sectors for better tax compliance and coverage. The difference between direct charge mechanism and reverse charge mechanism is that in direct charge mechanism, tax is paid by the supplier, and in reverse charge mechanism, tax is paid by the recipient. Following are the services on which reverse charge mechanism is applicable: manpower supply, insurance agent, etc. Currently, no reverse charge mechanism is applicable in the supply of goods. There are some situations where reverse charge will apply, like unregistered dealer selling to a registered dealer, services through an e-commerce operator. Other categories of supply will be notified by the government. For example, a manpower supplier has provided services to a company worth Rs 1 lakh with a tax liability of Rs 15,000, mentioning a bill that the tax liability will be borne by the receiver. So now the company will pay Rs 1 lakh to the manpower supplier and Rs 15,000 to the government. Taxpayer who are paying tax on reverse charge basis shall not be eligible for threshold exemption. In case of supplies where the reverse charge is applicable, the time of supply shall be earliest of the following: date of the receipt of goods and services, or date on which the payment is made, or date of receipt of invoice, or the date of debit in the books of accounts. Recipient under the reverse charge in the following cases: if consideration is payable, then the person who is liable to pay the consideration. If no consideration is payable, the person to whom the goods are delivered or to whom the service is rendered. To know more on GST, please refer to other videos by Legalraasta. You can also log on to our website www.legalraasta.com. In fact, you can get GST registration and GST filing services from Legalraasta. CAs or accountants can use Legalraasta software for filing GST return. Call us at 875 000 8585 for more details.